Hey friends, if you encounter the critical process died blue screen of death error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. And I can understand how serious blue screen of death errors can be, so I will help you with the same. The first solution is an SFC scan to fix broken and corrupt files. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to uninstall the latest updates, and this is especially in case this issue occurred after a recent update. So right click on the start button and select settings on the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab. Click on Update History in the right pane. Now click on Uninstall Updates and check for the latest update one by one. I mean, it's in the order of the latest one first. Latest one is on 29, which is today. So click on Uninstall and then click on Uninstall once again to uninstall it. If it helps, well and good. If not, then uninstall the next one and so on. The next solution is to reinstall the drivers and try to update the drivers first though. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar, and let's say that you recently connected a third party software that is pushing drivers on your system. In that case, I will advise you to verify those drivers first. For example, if it's a printer or it's a camera, if it's a camera, then expand the list, right click on it and select update driver and search automatically for drivers. Else, right-click on it and select Uninstall device. Let it uninstall, then right-click on it again and select Scan for hardware changes. And if you don't find it then click on Action and select Scan for hardware changes. The next solution is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command msdt.exe space hyphen id space device diagnostic and hit enter. This will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Now click on next to start running it. After this, you can consider removing recently installed problematic apps. Right click on the start button and select settings on the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps and change the sort by to date installed, and then you'll find the apps in the list of the ones which have been installed as the latest ones. Click on the three dots associated with it and select uninstall, and then click on uninstall once again to uninstall the latest app, and then go one by one. Especially figure those ones which are not genuine apps. Like, I know that Microsoft Office is a genuine app, but let's say that you have downloaded and installed an unverified app. And obviously the last solution is to restore system to an earlier restore point if you created one. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Now click on open system restore. Click on next, select a go to restore point, click on next, and then click on finish to initiate the system restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. We really need subscribers. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.